That's insane that one sub. Be careful, you might blow it with that big. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
It's a little different than the last time you was in it.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the last time you was in here, I was running 215s on 10K in Slamology.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's been a while. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I was trying to run 415s on 32K, but it didn't quite work out that well.
So you actually have one per sub.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Whoa. So right now, just go ahead and tell me your name, what's in here, like I don't know. Go for it.
Austin Graham.
Okay.
2000 RT Dakota, 4 Stetson Bravo AKs, 4 Pierce Audio WMD 2K15s from like, I don't know, almost 10 years ago.
Okay.
It did like a 54 at like 34 hertz of Slamology, and it survived till about the end of August before subs started heating themselves.
So you don't actually, I'm looking here, these wires are ran to 1 amp, so these other wires aren't hooked up.
Yeah, so
You've only got one amplifier hooked up.
yeah, so this one's off. I just didn't unhook them because they're zip tied together, and this one's still running. The fun fact about on this side is the sub this one's playing actually has one blown voice coil, so it's running like 2 ohms instead of 1.
You got all this power in here, but so you still work. You're gonna change it up, or
I've got 4 15-inch dream sickles showing up in May.
Okay.
And
wow.
we're actually gonna take the blow-through out. We're gonna wall it and put all the amps and battery and stuff in the bed.
Okay. You made it to the show, though. So only one of them subs are playing, or 2 of them?
1.
Oh wow.
1. Yeah, just this one over here. I've got the
That
remote.
box is really big for 1 sub.
A little bit. A little bit.
Nice. All right, man. Is there a way I could get another song just to see how it plays with the 1?
Yeah.
So this sub box is probably around what, 30 cubes, 25 or so, or if you could guess to me.
I'm trying to remember. It's been a hot minute since I've looked at the measurements. I know it's like 5 foot long, 5.5 foot long, 44 wide, and 18 tall.
Okay. It's insane that one sub is. I mean, I'm sure you might have to be careful. You might blow it with that big box.
Well, like I said, when it was 8K per, the 3 didn't last very long at all.
Yeah.
It was playing 2 days before Slamology. It made it through Slamology weekend,
Yeah.
and then it made it to like the end of August, and like 3 subs were dead.
Dang.
Yeah.
Everything's right here. Nothing back there.
Just the box, and I've got a stunt wall in the back.
Okay. Awesome.
It's good seeing you again, bro.
Yeah, you too, Austin. Take a picture real quick.
I wish it was up to 100%, but I've actually got 3 blown subs right now.
Really? Oh. That one sub is, I mean, I'm sure you might have to be careful. You might blow it with that big box, but man, that's pretty good for one sub.
Well, like I said, when it was 8K per, the 3 didn't last very long at all.
Yeah.
It was playing 2 days before Slamology. It made it through Slamology weekend,
yeah.
And then it made it to like the end of August, and like 3 subs were dead.
Dang.
Yeah.
Everything's right here. Nothing back there.
Just the box, and I've got a stump wall in the back.
Okay. Awesome. I appreciate the demo, man.
No problem. It's good seeing you again, bro.
Yeah, you too, Austin. You have a good day. Thanks for showing me.
Yes, sir.